In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add a Minecraft server in just a few steps. So this is very easy and it will allow you to play multiplayer and it works for any server you want. In this case, I'm using Minecraft Java edition, but it's basically the same process for the Bedrock edition. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is open the Minecraft game and then you will see single player or multiplayer. Just click here. You will get a warning. Just click on proceed and you will see the list of your servers. In this case, I have some servers already, but uh, your list might be empty. So to add a server, what you need to do is click right here, add server, and then you need to set a server name. This can be anything. For example, my favorite server, this doesn't matter, and the server address, which is the IP of the server you want to join. You can search this on YouTube, Google, or wherever. If you want to join a server, for example, let's say Hypixel, then you can search Hypixel IP on Google and you will find it. It will look something like this. Each server has a different IP, so it might be like this or mc dot Minecraft server.com or whatever. In this case, I'm gonna add a Hypixel server, which is hypixel.net. Then click on done. And now, as you can see, Hypixel appears right here and I can join the server. And now I'm here at Hypixel and I could start playing. If you want to edit this server, you can click right here and modify the server address or name. And you can also delete it right here, or if it doesn't load or doesn't appear here, you can try refreshing. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.